This is my F4U Corsair glider, Sunbird V2 from Dancing Wings Hobby. I built this in about a month and a half. I made it look like a F4U Corsair from World War II. Painted the bottom of the wing today. Now all I have to do is put stickers on it.
So what did you think of this program?
I loved it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is Gavin. He's got his plane ready to go.
Yep, I finally finished it. It's ready to fly. I got everything done.
So what did you think of this program?
It was really fun. If they have another program, I'll probably come back.
Okay.
I have built the Sunbird Model F16 by Dancing Wings. And I went for green and silver and a little bit of black. Yeah. I don't know what else to say.
So what did you think of this program?
I liked it. It's pretty good. It's fun, and there's always something to do.
All right, thank you. So Legion, what do you have left on yours?
Well, I have to put around some red wrap, which I originally intended on doing black, but red would look good too, so using red. And when I'm done with that, then I just have to do the servo horns, the electronics. Here, it's quick, but yeah.
So what did you think of this program? You did it last year also, so.
Yeah, I was here last year and this year. They both were amazing years. I've learned a lot about new people. It's a great way to socialize, and it's not just about the plane. You learn some new things. I like the program. I'm glad that it's continuing, and I like the progress that's going on around here.
Good, thank you.